Now, I, Vijay Victor, I am welcoming you in the maths class of class 9 of crash course of maths class, class 9. Today on the topic area and volume, I will take this topic cone. So for a brief revision of cone, there's a lot of examples of cone in our day-to-day life. Ice cream cone, we are using, enjoying ice cream that is in the shape of cone. The joggers, cab, the dome of church or mosque, they are in the shape of cone. Okay. So basically, cone has three parts. This is the radius of the circular base of the cone, height of the cone, and this is known as lateral side of the cone. Okay. So this triangle is in which shape? Right. So the lateral side is equal to square root of height plus radius. LSA is pi r L. TSA is equal to pi r plus L. So there is only one circular base, and volume is equal to the volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder. This is the part 1, this is the part 2, and this is the part 3. 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder from which the cone has been carved out. Okay. Now, give me first NCERT book. I will explain one or two questions. After that, I will take your doubts from any book from RSL or RT. Okay, I'll take question number 6 of exercise 13.7. NCERT. Exercise 13.7. Question number 6. The volume of a right circular cone. You have given a right circular cone of which volume you have given 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, this diameter is 28 centimeter. We have to find or calculate three things: height of the cone, slant height of the cone L, and the curved surface area of the cone. ये तीन चीजें बच्चों को फाइंड आउट करना है. चलिए. Now, what is the formula of volume of the cone?
Pi r square h.
According to question, pi r square h upon 3 is equal to 9856. What is the radius in this case?
40
centimeter. So 22 upon 7, 14 into 14 into h is equal to 9856 into 3 of this side, then this will multiply.
Yes.
7 to the 14. So h is equal to 9856 into 3 upon 22 into 14 into 2.
Yes.
Now, 2 से करेंगे 49, 2 to 4 और 2 8 16. 7 से कट जाएगी. 7 to 7 7
49.
0 and 7 4. फिर 2 से करेंगे 35 and 2 जा, फिर 2 से करेंगे हम, फिर आएगा 11 आएगा, 2 1 जा 2, 1 and 5, 2 7 जा 14, 2 6 जा, अब 11 से कर दो, 11 1 जा, 11 6 जा, 16 3 जा
40
ये तो कट गया था ना,
यस सर
बचा है,
कट गया
H is equal to 48 centimeter, R is equal to 14 centimeter. So H is equal to H square plus R square, that is equal to 48 square plus 14 square. Now here, can you calculate it? इसको फाइंड आउट कर लो बच्चों की, मुझे कैलकुलेटर में दिखाना है. Then after that, what you have to find here? CSH. That is equal to pi is constant. Value of R is
14
given, and the value of L is to calculate from here. Verified?
Yes, sir.
CSH. Now, any other doubt from NCERT book from exercise 13 point? Question 8. अच्छा. Give me a set square. एक set square दो. Anyone has brought geometry box? कोई बच्चा ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स लाया है, उसमें सेट स्क्वायर निकाल के दो. जो आपके दो त्रिभुज होते हैं ना, उसको सेट स्क्वायर बोलते हैं. तो हमको हाँ ये वाला कर दो. देखो, लुक एट मी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. इफ द ट्रायंगल ABC, आप कौन सा पूछे? 8 पूछे कि 7 पूछे? If the triangle ABC in the question number 7, देखिए अब पहले ट्रायंगल देखिए. If the triangle having a side of 5, 12 and 13, यहाँ देखो, this is one part of your set square. This one is 5 centimeter, one side is, other side is 12 centimeter, and this side is 13 centimeter. Is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. अब इसको हम ऐसे कर दिए इस तरीके से, और इसको हम ऐसे घुमाएं, ठीक है ना? ऐसे घुमाएंगे ना. देखो यहां पर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. This side is 5 centimeter, this side is 12 centimeter, and this side is
13 centimeter.
Now this triangle is revolved around the side 5 centimeter. इस 5 centimeter को एक्सिस मानकर इसको घुमाया गया है चारों तरफ. मान लीजिए आटा में या बालू में घुमाया गया है. हम 1 डायमेंशनल में इसको रोटेट कर रहे हैं. अब इसको घुमा के हम क्या करेंगे? देखो, अब इसको हम घुमा के यहां से ऐसे कर दिए. घुमा दिए, किस शेप में आ गया ये? तो क्या बना आपके पास? एक कोण बना. तो 5 सेंटीमीटर क्या हो गया हमारा? 13 सेंटीमीटर जो था क्या हो गया हमारा? ये L हो गया. और ये जो 12 सेंटीमीटर था, ये क्या हो गया हमारा? रेडियस हो गया. ऐसा समझे? Find the ratio of the volume of two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. अब देखिए, in question number 7, this triangle has been revolved around the side 12 centimeter. अब इसको 7 से ही बनाना है, मतलब 7 ये हो गया हमारा. तो 7 में हम ऐसे रोटेट किए. This is 12 centimeter. So this triangle is revolved around 12 centimeter. तो फिर हमारा क्या बना? ये कोण बना.
Yes sir.
तो ये 12 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ क्या हो गया हमारा? This is height, and this side 5 centimeter is what?
Radius.
That become radius. हमको क्या करना है, फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टू सॉलिड ऑब्टेन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। इसको V1 मान लेंगे और इसको V2 मान लेंगे। तो V1 अपॉन V2 दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई R1 स्क्वायर अपॉन H1 एंड पाई R2 स्क्वायर अपॉन H2। पाई पाई कट गया। ये R1 कितना है 5 इंटू 5 और H कितना है
12
R2 कितना हमारा 12 इंटू 12 और R कितना है
5
5 है। ये कट गया, ये कट गया, कितना हो गया
5:12.
दैट इज इक्वल टू 5:2। Still, I have some space. I can take one more doubt. If you have want from NCERT or R.S. Agrawal or any other book. If you have doubts, quickly ask.
Question number 14 of the
Question number 14, exercise 15. See, देखिए, one question has come. What is his name? Krish. Krish has asked from R.S. Agrawal. Exercise 15C. Exercise 15C. Question number 14. Two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3. Height in the ratio H1 upon H2 is equal to 1 upon 3. A radii of their bases are in the ratio 3:1. R1 upon R2 is equal to 3 upon 1. Show that their volumes are in the ratio 3:1. हमको क्या प्रूव करना है? To prove V1 upon V2 is equal to 3 upon 1. Okay, अब देखिए। Now V1 upon V2 is equal to pi R1 square H1 upon 3 pi R2 square H2 upon 3। 3 क्या हुआ हमारा?
Cancel.
कट गया। पाई और पाई कैंसिल हो गया। दैट इज इक्वल टू R1 अपॉन R2 होल स्क्वायर इंटू H1 अपॉन H2। तो R1 हमारा कितना है बच्चों? R1 अपॉन R2 कितना है? 3 अपॉन 1 होल स्क्वायर इंटू H1 कितना है हमारा? 1 अपॉन 3। That's equal to 9 upon 1 into 1 upon 3. 3 3 जा 9. That's equal to 3 upon 1. Proof हो गया हमारा? V1 upon V2 जो हमको प्रूफ करना था यहाँ is equal to 3 upon 1. Okay. Please note it down. After that, I will take some further doubts from this topic. Now coming to the next topic in the crash course of the chapter area and volume. Now in this one we are going to take hemisphere and sphere. Hemisphere, you have an example of hemisphere in your day-to-day life. That is in the shape of katura or kathauti bowl, and in many games you are using balls like cricket ball, basketball, volleyball. These all are the examples of sphere. So there is for curved surface area, hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, and this one is equal to 4 pi r. For TSA, this one is equal to 3 pi r square, and this one is same because there is only one surface square in the sphere. For volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now I'm going to take a question from your NCERT book, that is the 13.4 chapter, area of sphere and hemisphere. Which question shall I explain? From 13.4. Okay, I'm going to take one question. Question number 8. Exercise 13.4. Question number 8. Question number 8. You have given me to explain. A hemispherical ball is made of a steel of 0.25 centimeter. A hemispherical ball is made of 0.25 centimeter. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. This is the R. What will be the outer radius from O to A? O to B is 5. 5 plus 0.25. R is equal to 5 plus 0.25. That is equal to 5.25 centimeter. And inner radius is 5 centimeter. Okay. Find the outer. Outer CSA is equal to 2 pi r square. Sorry. 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5.25 into 5.25. 7 से कटेगा. 7 7 जा 49 and 7 5 जा. That is equal to 44 into 5.25 into 0.75 centimeter square. हो गया आंसर. चलिए अब 13.8 निकालिए आप, वॉल्यूम से रिलेटेड. उसमें से कोई डाउट्स है, यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट फ्रॉम द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज 13.8. Which question shall I explain? Question number 3rd of exercise 13.8 in ERT. We have asked question number 3rd. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. Diameter is 4.2 centimeter. So the radius is 4.2 upon 2, that is equal to 2.1 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? यहाँ ध्यान देना मुझे. You have given densities is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. This is the hints for you. In your exercise, all the questions are related to volume. तो आंख मूंदकर आप वॉल्यूम वाले एरिया में सोचेंगे. But in the examination, it is not mentioned as this question has come from 13.8. But this centimeter cube per centimeter cube is the hints that you have to calculate the volume of that given figure. So how we find the volume? Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. R is equal to 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. 7 3 ja and 3 1 ja. हो गया. कितना हो गया? 12 ja 44 and Okay? इसमें क्या दे रहा है?
मेटालिक बॉल दे रहा है ball।
क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा ये? सॉरी मेटालिक बॉल। तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? 22 4 जा 88 into 21 into 21 4.41 और ये हो जाएगा 0.1 तो क्या हो जाएगा 0.441 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 8.9 because what does it mean? The mass or the weight of 1 centimeter cube is equal to
8.9
तो this per centimeter cube के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको?
डिवाइड करना
तो मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 8.9 into 88 into 0.441 gram. Okay. Now any other doubt? Question number 7. Question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is. You have given surface area of a sphere is equal to 154 centimeter square. We have to find the volume of this sphere. अब देखिए इस सरफेस एरिया का वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 4 pi r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 upon 4 pi. That's equal to 154 into 4 into 22 और 7 कहाँ चला गया हमारा 11 2 जा 11 1 जा 11 4 जा हो गया 2 से हो जाएगा हमारा 7 that is equal to 7 square upon 2 square. तो r square is equal to 7 square upon 2 square, which means r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. So volume is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 upon 3 pi is equal to 22 into 7 and r is equal to 7 into 7 or flat 2 into 7 and 7 cancel 2 to जा 4 ये 2 और ये 2 cancel ये cancel 2 11 जा 11 अब नहीं करेगा 7 7 जा 49 1 जा 49 plus 4 53 upon 3 3 1 जा 3 2 and 3 3 7 जा 21 2 and 9 3 9 जा 27 3 6 जा this much centimeter cube. Now I have completed this one. If you have any other doubts from others book, I'll collect all those doubts and convert one class as a doubt class. God bless you. हाँ बोलो.